How to apply for a credit card with Atlantic Bank. Follow my instructions. Applying for a credit card with Atlantic Bank is quick and simple. You can do it online through the mobile app or by visiting a branch in person. Here's how you can start the application step by step. First, go to the official Atlantic Bank website or open their mobile banking app. Look for the Credit Cards or Apply Now section on the homepage. Choose the type of card that fits your needs, whether it's cashback, rewards, or low interest. Click Apply and begin filling out the application form. You'll need to enter your full name, date of birth, address, and social security number. Also provide your employment information, income details, and contact number. Review the card's terms and conditions carefully before submitting. Make sure you understand the interest rates, annual fees, and reward benefits. Once everything looks correct, hit the Submit button to complete your application. Atlantic Bank may give you an instant decision, or it may take a few business days. If approved, your new credit card will be mailed to you at the address you provided. Activate it once received and you're ready to start using it. That's it. That's how you apply for a credit card with Atlantic Bank. Thanks for watching.